Let's go! Another day in the Pokemon Gundam pack opening. Starting up today is Gundam Freedom Ascension. Let's see what we get today, guys. Starting off, Rose Screamer, Javin's Barjanor, Gavin's Goonie, Javelin, Hoka Coyoten Jusetsujin, Gundam Heavy Custom EW, Daiji, Turo Barton, Archangel, Gundam Barbatos Lupus, Gundam H2 Double Bullet, and Char Asaban. It's not bad. Now onto Pokemon Pitch Black. It's the code. Fighting Energy. Walmer. Grubbin. Menabuzz. Jinx. Demise. Dark Bell. Toucanon. Reverse Hollow Lampent. Reverse Hollow Voltage Electric Energy, and a shadowy Dark Energy. Ooh. Alright guys, that's it for today's Pokemon Gundam pack opening. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.